Hey guys, welcome back to Upclick. In this video, I'll be showing you how to play music through mic on Roblox. But first, check our special offer in the description. So let's get started. So, if you want to play music through your mic, or you just want to share some music while you're playing inside Roblox, well, this one is quite easy. Well, the first thing that you want to do is you want to go ahead and just open up any browser here and just type in the following. It's going to be voice meter. Now, from here, you want to look for vb-audio.com. Go and open up their website. Scroll down a bit here and just download the zip package. Now, once you have downloaded the zip package, this is what's going to look like. Now, you want to go and double click on it, double click on the voice meter setup here, .exe, and you want to go and just follow the on-screen steps. Now, obviously, I already have this installed. What you just need to do is you want to go ahead and just click on install, wait for a while here, and restart your PC. But once you've done that, the next thing that you want to do here is you want to go ahead and open up the app. So in this case, just type in or search for voice meter. Let's go open it up. Now in here, what we need to do is you want to go ahead and click on A1. So at the top section here, go and click on A1. You want to go to the WDM WhatsApp, and you want to go and just choose whichever your audio you're actually using. So you can go and choose speaker, USB audio here. If you're using speaker or headset, you can go and choose that one. But once you've done that, the next thing that you want to do is you want to head over to the game that you want to go ahead and basically start using your audio here. Now you can go and click on more at the top left here, and you want to go and just access your settings, or you can just click on escape at the top on your keyboard. But yeah, so in here you want to go to settings. So in here, you want to go and look for the input device. So in this case, you need to make sure that you selected the proper one. So for input device, you want to look for whatever we actually just installed right now. So this is going to be, I have a lot of microphones in here. That's going to look for it. So you want to look for what we call, this is one, the voice meter here. So if you don't see it, just make sure that it's running in the background. But once you've selected voice meter, you should be able to start playing music. Just make sure that you're not muted. Now again, if you don't see it, you may need to restart the actual app or restart your PC in order for you to see the actual option for voice meter. But that's about it. So if you found this video, hit the like and subscribe button and watch our next video.